Okay, so since I'm getting ready, I thought I would show you guys how I do a quick little crimp that it makes it look like you woke up and unbraided your hair. So I have like pretty curly hair underneath. It already has like that natural wave, but unfortunately my top layer doesn't like to be cute. It just likes to be straight and not match my underneath. So what I will do is I will add little crimp pieces just on the top layer of my hair, and I just use this 3-barrel curl. So I just grab the first layer with my finger and you just hold it for about 5 seconds, I guess. And then I just bring the next crimp to the first or second crimp down, and then I'll keep going down until the end, until I get to the end of the piece of hair. Because then if you don't, like, at least for me, if I don't go in to another crimp, I feel like it just looks really weird. Perfect. And I'm actually going to do a little bit right here too. And since it's underneath that hair, I'm just going to worry about the end piece. Yeah, and I got this super cheap on Amazon. It was like 19 bucks, so you really don't need anything fancy. So I'm literally parting it just a little bit. It's not that far off from my part. And I even just add my bangs in there. And I get pretty dang close to the root of my hair when it comes to these waves. And I love that it's quick and I don't have to do my whole head. Especially if like I take a shower and my hair is like super fresh and the bottom layer is still pretty curly from my natural wave. So I guess I do a few layers underneath. Maybe like 2. Let me get that in there. I'll even do this with like a tighter barrel curl and just do the top layer sometimes, because when you have thick hair, it takes way too long to curl. Okay, so this piece is going to stick out more, so I'm going to do this. Okay, so I gotta move you because I'm coming to the end of this curling thing. I can't do it on the other side. So really I'm only taking like, I think on this side I took like 4 pieces on top and crimped them. So you'll definitely have to fill it out with your own hair, like kind of just fill it in without having to do all the layers.